Okay guys, we are here at some very good friends of ours, Fred and Peggy Locklear. We are right, not quite in the middle of Lumbee country, but we're getting there, right?
Close, close.
Fred and Peggy have been making a traditional meal for a very long time. It's in their family and it's in the Lumbee tradition, I don't know for how long.
It's been passed down for generations on my side and her side, you know, and it's been around for a long time as far as we can remember, so.
Now I see chicken here, but I see it in the form of chicken breast, but I see some other stuff. So Peggy, tell me, besides the chicken, what have we got here?
Okay, over here we have the pork tender smoked sausage. This here is more or less a mild flavor. Over here we have salt and pepper. Back here we have the long grain rice. And right here would be your chicken broth.
We're going to be cooking it in a traditional kind of pot that comes from our dear friends at Carolina Cooker, who are making these traditional things out there for people to continue to cook in. So let's take it all out and go do this.
We'll do it. I'm down.
Oh yeah. That just looks good to me for some reason.
Oh, it's gonna give you all the flavor, man. Oh, look there, Chris.
Look at that.
He is ready.
Man.
He's ready. The rice is consistent, swell up, we're good to go.
Fred, this is fantastic. I'm not kidding you. I mean, the mix, just the right amount of salt, pepper, and you throw that pender sauce.
Pender.
And this white bread is just,
Just
I'm
go ahead
gonna
and
have
get
to have a
into
little
it.
bit of that.
And that'll get her done. That's right.
I really appreciate it, Fred. Thank you so much for letting us be a part of this.
It's been a pleasure, you know, we enjoy it, so.